But there is also one thing that you can do, and that's bulk personalization. That's one of the most important insights from my side regarding personalizing your email. Bulk personalization means that you are making a personalized line that you can use for every email that you send out. You don't have to do research. The same sentence could be used for all of your leads, but it's difficult. You have to sell a story at the beginning of your email that is not too exaggerated and that is as realistic as possible. For example, you are, let's say, a juice brand, right? So you're a juice brand and I'm trying to reach out to you. So I have to think about a story that represents your product and that engages in a positive way so that I can send out to 100 other juice brands, right? That's bulk personalization. So if I'm writing, hey, Nicholas, yesterday I was at a party and I tried out your juice, so the juice brand's name. I drank your product, fell in love with it, and I felt like I have to reach out to you because I want to know more about your juice. So that could be a personalized line that you can use for hundreds of other juice brands. It's a story, it's reflecting your product because, hey, it makes sense. So he tried out my juice, he wants to know more about it at a party. So party is related to juice or other products, right? And that makes sense. So it has to be a natural way. Don't push it too much up the whole story. It should be natural. It should be personal and like you're writing it to a friend.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense. So makes sense. So with this bulk personalization, it's not needed for me to find any VA at the beginning and to make all this personalization because I heard about this one, this strategy that's something which fits in general to many people.
Yes.
I can use, and so I don't have to think about what I have to write on this one and on this one, and I don't have to check every website from the beginning. So when it's a general compliment which fits to most of the people, then I will face that much issues and can have much success with this open rate, right?
Right. But the thing is that this is a pro level in my opinion. Mm-hmm. Right? So before doing this, you have to go through the process of writing at least 50 high personalized emails. Because during the A/B testing, you will know exactly how this bulk personalization story could be. Right? So during this process, you will get some ideas and at the end you can work with the bulk personalization. But in order to get to this, you have to send out emails, high personalized emails, and do the A/B testing part because that's most important. Open a Google Sheet, put every single part of your email in the Google Sheet, like the subject line, the first line, the case study, the call to action. Compare them. What converts better? And then go to the next level with the bulk personalization. So that's the next level, I would say. Because you need some experience, you need some A/B testing in order to get some ideas of how you can create this bulk personalization.